All right, prime time. This is the video to determine our winner for the USC Heisman Hall of Fame jersey that we pulled tonight with the multiple numbers. So involved in this are number 2, James Baker, number 3, Robert McCallum, and 0, Jeremy Howard. So we'll check our time as February 13th, and we'll let this roll over here to 8:58. At 8:58 p.m., we're going to go to the, we'll call it a raffle here with Type Live. And February 13th at 8:58 p.m., we're going to need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. 7 times. All right, whoever's on top after the 7th roll is our winner. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last and final. Good luck. Here we go. It is Jeremy Howard with 0 as your winner. So, Jeremy, please get with me to get me your shipping info. There is our timestamp, our verification code, February 13th at 8:58 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.